Okay, so we're complete. The project is done. Definitely a couple things that different about this job. This was all hand ground. This edge along here and the further edge too. But all at the same time, try not to fall into the pool. So there was 4 different floors in here. It was the whole deck, an addition it looks like, and then somebody did a transition. So we really got 4 different kinds of concrete plus all the issues that we initially had. But the job looks great. Got polyaspartic top coat. Sand it and filled all the expansion joints. Hope you can see that floor in the sun. This color is saddle tan.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.